Hello everyone, welcome to Auto Info channel. In this short video, we'd like to talk about the next generation Infiniti QX80 2024 model year flagship SUV. A few days ago, the new model has been spied, and it looks like it will have the same length and wheelbase. It is expected that the 5.6-liter V8 engine will be replaced with the turbocharged V6 or even hybrid powertrain. As for the interior design, it could follow the QX60 model, just wider of course and with higher center console. And the exterior design could be significantly changed. We have already illustrated it with different color options and compared with the current QX80 2023 model year. Please take a look and let us know if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.